Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to Insert, and select Pictures to insert a picture from your computer. Let's click on Pictures. Select the picture, then click on Insert. The second option is to go to Insert again and click on Online Pictures. Then search for a picture and click on it. Then click on Insert. Wait a few seconds. And here is the picture. Let's delete this text. You can edit the picture by clicking on it and go into Format under Picture Tools. And here you can remove the background, select one of these presets, change the color, add artistic effect, compress the picture, change the picture, reset the picture, apply a picture style, add an outline or a border, picture effects, and picture layout. You can also align the picture and rotate it, as well as crop it. Another way to insert a picture in Microsoft Word is to open the file location, then drag it to Microsoft Word and drop it there. Or you can also go to Insert and insert a shape. Let's insert a rectangle, for example. Then right-click on the shape and select Format Shape. Go to Fill and select Picture or Texture Fill. Then click on File to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online to insert an online picture. So let's insert an online picture. Select the picture and click on Insert. Now click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Go to Crop and select Fill. Adjust your picture. Then click outside of the picture. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.